You guys, we're back. Of course, as you guys know, I had to make sure that the video that we return on, of course, had to be something special. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's gonna hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video. What is up, YouTube? My name is Forrest over here on Tech with Forrest. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell that we get all the notifications every time I drop on these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and of course, follow me on Instagram at Tech with Forrest. Of course, again, before we get into today's video, I want to say thank you guys so much for being patient. It is a little tough that I learned navigating a channel, a 9-to-5 job, and trying to build another channel as well. Something that is absolutely insane that I really, again, didn't lose passion, didn't lose interest, didn't lose none of that. Just really got to figure out how to time manage correctly and everything between every single thing that I have going on. But you guys, today's video is something special. Again, I had to wear my first Rolex in today's video because I actually ended up buying my dream Rolex here recently. And again, I told you guys I love watches, and of course, since it has to do with a little bit of technology, we're gonna have a little bit of watch stuff in here sometimes as well. And I wanted to unbox my dream watch with you guys. It's something that, again, I think is very special to my heart, because never in a million years did I think I would ever be able to, one, have one, to afford it. Like, a lot of things just ended up going right. So definitely shout out to my guys over at Jewelry Unlimited. Shout out to Wafi. I was over there getting something else done, and of course ended up seeing my dream watch there in front of me. And well, you guys know how that is. Sometimes you see something you've always wanted right in front of you, and you're more than likely going to pull the trigger sometimes. Like, maybe not to this extent, but definitely whenever you've been wanting something for a while, you're probably going to take a chance and grab it. So again, really quick, shout out again to my guys over at Jewelry Unlimited. Got the package right here. Again, I was in store and got it. We're going to go ahead and take this out. As you guys can see, it is the newer Rolex box as well. Again, as you guys know, if you guys are into watches or anything, they did change up how the boxes look and everything that they come in. But again, shout out to them. It was there. They gave me a really good price, but we are going to really quick just go ahead and take this top off really quick. And of course, as you guys can see, the Rolex box right here, take this off. We're going to open this up together, you guys, on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And here you guys have it, you guys, the Datejust 41mm Wimbledon. This is something that, again, I have wanted for a very long time. I love, of course, the stainless steel on it. I love the green Roman numeral dial, and of course, Jubilee with a fluted bezel. This is something, again, super special to me, that I 100% owning one is nuts already, but being able to grab this one, something that I've wanted for a very long time, it's just kind of crazy to be able to add this to my collection. I've got Tudors, I have Tissot's, I have Datejust, I have one Movado. I've got a bunch of watches and everything, but again, Rolex to me, that honestly just always stands above the others. You have your Audemars Piguets, you have, of course, Patek Philippe's and all of that. But this right here, again, I love being able to own Rolexes. I love the Swiss movements, but if you guys are looking for like a great watch under $1,000 and you still like that Swiss movement, make sure you guys check out the Tissot PRXs. Actually, the person that sold me this watch was wearing a PRX at the time. I have a couple of those as well. Super cheap. I think one I got for like 500 bucks. Like, it's super nice watches, but definitely love being able to own this watch. One that I know a ton of you all will enjoy as well, being able to look at. And if you guys are ever, literally do what I did as a kid. I would go window shop. I would go manifest things. And again, I save up for the things that I want, and that's what we got to do sometimes, because again, not a very small purchase at all. But the one thing that I do love about Rolexes, you guys, is regardless of what it is, it holds value. So if you guys ever get in a time crunch, I'd always rather have money in assets kind of like this than I would in a bank account. because the bank account, it does nothing for you. I'd rather put it in, you know, with a financial advisor, or, you know, in assets like this, to where if you ever get in a pinch, easy, quick money that you can go and just, you know, go back to like Jewelry Unlimited or something like that and pick this up. But again, I wanted to come back on this channel with something absolutely special for you guys, and something that's absolutely nuts to me, that I absolutely love. And again, I know this is something, again, not for everybody or everything, but I know there's a lot of people that enjoy watches like I do and everything, and they would like to see this as well. Because again, hopefully we can add more watches and talk about other things as well. Because again, I have a lot of gadgets and lenses and cameras and stuff we'll go over here, but also watches is another part of technology. This is something that I know a lot of people definitely like, and there's a ton of people that enjoy talking about watches as well, just like I do. So again, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get all the notifications. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the 41mm Datejust fluted bezel Jubilee bracelet Wimbledon? Again, something that's absolutely just fire to me. I love that green, it pops, and with it being, you know, of course, the stainless steel and everything, it is something that it's like subtle, you know, like if you know, you know. And that's kind of what I like. I don't like being out there or anything like that. I like being somebody that's, if you know what I have on, you know what I have on. But again, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Again, welcome back to Tech with Forrest. We're gonna, again, try to be better. Again, this is something that is new to me, trying to juggle a couple of different channels and stuff like that. So bear with me. We're going to try to figure all this out. Got some more stuff coming for you guys that I know you'll enjoy. But as always, you guys, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for absolutely everything. Continue to hit the sub button, continue to hit the like button, and again, hit the hype button as well. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace.